Hey YouTube, Henry here. Listen, just to let you know, I have started my keto diet. Sorry, not keto. I started my carnivore diet last week, and I had been on keto. And when I was on keto, I had lost around 22 kilos, and that's about 44 pounds, give or take. And I will be quite honest what I did. I'll be right up front how I lost that weight, because I started the keto diet on the 1st of June. It's now November 5th. Now, if you take it back to late October, when I stopped the keto diet and started the carnivore diet, I'll give you a rundown of what I used to do. It wasn't good. It was pretty darn stupid and dangerous. Don't recommend anyone do this. But it lost the weight that I needed to lose. But unfortunately, it took a toll on my body. Now, I did the keto because my wife was doing it. I mean, I love the idea of the keto diet. I've been wanting to do it for a lot of years. And my wife, she went to Brisbane and friends got her onto it. So when she came back all excited. So I went, beauty, let's do it. I did some stupid things in the process of going on the keto diet. I took lots of laxatives, and with that, by taking lots of laxatives, I was pushing the food that was in my stomach out and reducing my weight that way. Because I noticed when I'd go to the toilet, I'd lose weight, I'd weigh myself in the scales, and all of a sudden, I'd be down a kilo. I'm like, going, sweet. So I took the mindset, getting rid of poo means getting rid of, weight. Really dumb way of doing it. Also too, I found that I fasted 2 or 3 days a week sometimes. Sometimes 1 day a week, other times 2 or 3 days a week. And I found through doing that, I was able to reduce my weight pretty quickly. Hence why I was able to lose 44 pounds or 22 kilos in that time. Now, I'm so glad that when I was watching YouTube, how can I put it? All of a sudden, I started seeing these things on the carnivore diet. At first, when I was watching it, I was kind of pushing it aside, going, I'm not interested in the carnivore diet. I don't even know what it's about. It just doesn't look interesting to me. And eventually, as I saw more and more of that on my YouTube suggestion feed, I decided to have a look at it. And some of I'll tell you now too. I think combination of my taking laxatives and also fasting and all sorts of stuff developed depression in me. I had gone to a point where I was just flat all the time. My emotions were flat. I was getting angry really quickly. I was always hungry. I found when I was on the keto diet, I was always hungry. And I never felt satisfied. Anyway, so last week, as you saw in my last video, I had just started the keto diet on the Monday. Now, I said I'd do an update as to how it's going. Now, last week, throughout the week, the first 2 or 3 days of the week, I cheated really, really, really badly. I had discovered in my freezer some ice blocks that I didn't realize, and they were fruit ice blocks. And I'm going, So I ate those. And funny enough, I still lost weight, which was kind of bizarre to me. But I'd been on the meat, cheese, and egg, and salt and water. And I also told you in the last video that I'd been drinking coffee with lots of milk. Now, last week, I also stopped doing that and because I always have pod coffees, and that fills the cup about that much up with water and coffee. And what I did was I poured hot water into this, and then put about that much cream in it to just cool it off. And it was magnificent. It was awesome. So with that, I had that. That was not cool. And the next day, I had a ginger gummy bear. A little cheat, but still a cheat nonetheless. And really, it's been about probably 3 days now. About 3 days. that I haven't cheated. And I've lost 2 kilos. My mind is faster. I also am feeling a bit tired, but I also had, I decided to try and see if I could improve that tiredness. So I went and got some chicken liver pate. And yeah, it wasn't too bad. I mean, you can't see it, it's eaten now, but yeah, I had some chicken liver pate. And because I can't stand liver. Yeah, liver is like, that was the one thing that was turning me off the idea of the keto diet, of the carnivore diet, was because I couldn't stand liver. I thought, oh, that is just disgusting. But I thought, as I was watching, I went, hang on, I heard someone mention pates. And I went, I like pates. I like chicken liver pates. And I did a bit of research between chicken liver and cow liver, and there really isn't that much difference. So I went, fantastic. I'm going to be doing chicken liver pates. Now, I have to be careful that I get chicken liver. When I cook the chicken liver pates, which I haven't done yet, that's something I bought from the shops today. What I plan on doing is draining the chicken liver, frying it up, and I also plan on frying bacon with it. And this way, it gets the flavor of both of them going through the chicken. Then I'm going to mash it up into, I'm going to put it in a blender so it becomes a paste, and then put it into the bowls, in little bowls, and then cover it with butter. And obviously add salt to it as well. And that's going to be my chicken liver pate. That's going to be the way I get liver into my body. And I have to say, my depression is starting to really dissipate. I have not been happy. Look, since when I was on the keto diet, I was developing depression. And I really think it was brought on by the fact that I was doing some really stupid things with my body. For example, the laxatives, fasting 3 days a week, that kind of thing. And my body was going, ugh. And I was feeling really depressed mentally. I was angry all the time, couldn't concentrate. I had a foggy mind. And I heard all these people going, oh yeah, on a keto diet, your mind gets really, really sharp and all this sort of stuff. I didn't experience that. But I have to say, I am experiencing that on the carnivore diet. I don't take the laxatives anymore. I don't feel the need to. And you might think, how does that work? I mean, there's no fiber. How do you get rid of it? You get rid of it naturally. You have lots of oil. You have 30% oil in your body. Or you have 30% oil in your food that you eat. And also, I do find that the carnivore diet makes me very, very thirsty. So I drink lots and lots of water. So through that, drinking lots of water, having just meat, it flushes out of my body, no problem at all. So that's one benefit. Now, I will say that liver does have vitamin C. People might go, what about scabies? Well, liver has vitamin C. It also has magnesium and potassium and sodium in it. So if you want to avoid having any kind of malnourishment in those areas, have a bit of chicken pate. If you like chicken pate, goose pate, or whichever one of those ones, duck pate. If you like pate, go for that, because you'll find that it's a lot easier to eat and you don't feel quite as, well, it's not as disgusting as regular cow liver. I have to say, I can't stand cow liver at all, if you haven't already gathered. Okay, so that being said and done, that's the end of this video. I will keep you updated next week to let you know how it's going, and well, keep you posted. Okay, God bless. Have a great day. Bye for now. Oh, before you go, don't forget, if you like what you're watching, subscribe, thumbs up, give us a thumbs up, and also press the bell icon. It'll help us with the channel. It'll also allow you to see more of my videos when I upload them. Okay, have a great day. God bless. Bye for now.